In today's video, I'll show you how to use the Data Import Wizard in Salesforce. First, open your browser and go to the official Salesforce website, then make sure to log in with your account. On the home page, click the gear icon at the top right, then select Setup. In the Quick Find box, type Data Import Wizard, then click it under Integrations. Next, click Import My Data. You may see a tutorial video, feel free to skip it. Click Start, then choose what you want to import, for example, contacts. Select the appropriate options for your data, then click Next. Make sure your data is in a CSV file since this is required for importing into Salesforce. If you already have a CSV file, select I have a .csv file, then click Next. Click Upload Files and choose the correct file from your device. After uploading, match your file's columns to the correct Salesforce fields using the drop-down options. You can also create new fields if needed. Make sure all your data is properly matched to avoid errors during import. Once everything is ready, proceed to complete the import process. And that's it. That's how you use the Data Import Wizard in Salesforce.